Hey everybody, Patty Ann here. Hang on just a second. Today I'm working on a project, just something that I found in Cricut Design Space that's a freebie if you're an Access member, and if you're not a member of Access and you want to, sign up for Access, I do have an affiliate link down below. Please use it if you're in the market for it, and I get a little tiny commission. But anyway, this is the project I'm going to be working on. These are the pieces. I've already cut them out. They've been scored, and I've begun folding this one up. But let's go up to my design space and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is the box that I found, and I think it's super cute. There's no name affiliated with it that I can see, so I can't give anybody credit for it. But if you look at this, isn't it cute? It's a candy box, a treat box, and they've put M&Ms in there. And I happen to know, because my sister's a big M&M fanatic, that they have really pretty pastel ones for Easter, and I think that'd be really pretty in there, or something else. But this is just a cute box, and it only has these several pieces, so I thought I'd get to busy and make it. So I'm going to click on Customize, and that brings in all of the pieces like this that I need, and I'm going to come down here and minimize it so I can see better. And I'm going to ungroup it just so I can see how big each piece is, so that when I go to cut it, if I hadn't cut it already, I would know for this piece right here that I need a piece of cardstock that's about 8.5 inches high, or a piece 8.5 by about 7. So 8.5 by 7 for the brightest orange, and then these pieces, it would tell me up here what size I need. So after I bring this stuff in, all I have to do is go to Make It, Continue, select my machine, and it says to select the material, which I've already selected, cardstock. And notice now it tells me load the tools and the mat, and it says right here to make sure in clamp A I have the scoring stylus, because that's what makes all the scoring lines so that I know where to fold it. And then in the same clamp that it's always in is my knife blade. So my machine's ready to cut over there, but as I said, I've already cut it. So let's look down here again at my screen, or at my desktop. So since these were scored, I knew exactly where to fold them. And then I'm thinking, I'm not exactly sure how you put the greenery on here, so I'm just trying to shut this to see if I can get an idea. All right, I'm thinking I need to go back to that pic. Oh, maybe these get bent up. Is there a score line on these? Yeah, they probably get bent up like this. And then I just put these together like this. And since they're bent up like this, I can glue one of these on each side. Yep, that's perfect. So the first thing I'd have to do then is these 4 pieces that I have right here, I would glue them in here. So I'll just go ahead and do that. This isn't a really involved tutorial, just for fun. So I'm just using this craft glue, Elmer's Craft Bond Tacky Glue. I still don't have any of the glitter glue yet. I looked on May's website, and it looks like she only likes to ship it when there's no danger whatsoever of any frost or freezing temperatures. And right now where I live, we do still have freezing temperatures at night. Okay, so there's one. And I'll put this one on here. Both sides are textured. I was checking because I would have the textured side out. There we go. Let's see how that's going to look. Isn't that going to be cute? Very cute. Okay, let's do the second one. And I'm just putting little dots basically because I don't want to over glue, and I really don't want the glue to come gushing out. And this point on here is nice enough that it doesn't seem to make a big blob. Okay, there's that. The second one on. Make sure it's down below the score line. Oopsie. Ooh, good thing this glue is wet because it allowed me to move that over where I needed it to be. Okay. 2 more. And of course you can fast forward through this video if you want to see what the end of the project looks like. So while I'm doing this, I'll just tell you that I took my dog out for a walk today to in the woods. We live in the mountains, and we've had a bear sighting yesterday in the neighborhood, and I like to take my dog into the woods. And so I kidded some people and said I had a rock in my pocket, that in case we came upon a bear, you know, I'd hope my aim was good and that I would, you know, throw the rock at the bear and hope to scare it off if it started attacking us. Well, you know what Facebook is like. One of my friends got pretty upset with me, I think, and said, "Oh, don't throw rocks at the bears, and especially not at the baby bears," because supposedly this bear that was sighted had 2 cubs with her. I thought, you know, I'm really not going to throw a rock. Of course, if something did try to attack me and my dog, I would try to protect us to the best of my ability. But hopefully I make enough noise that we scare the bear off long before we'd be anywhere near her or her babies. Okay, so the next thing I need to let that do is to dry a little bit, and in the meantime I will glue these on here. So I'll put the glue up here. This is going to be super cute. Super cute, super cute. Okay. And I'll glue this one on this side. Super cute. There are so many things in Cricut Access. If you don't have it, it took me a while to decide to go ahead and purchase it because I felt like I was spending an awful lot of money, but there really are a lot of things in there that you can use. And if you do have Cricut Access already, you should look in at the projects because there are some cute ones in there. Okay, so the next thing I would do would be to put the glue on here. And kind of flatten this out and then bring this over to meet it. And that's the best way, so you can add some pressure to it to get a good bond. Hold it for just another couple seconds. Okay. Well, let's try to put it together and see how cute it is. Okay, this is really cute. It'd be cute in somebody's Easter basket, or it would be cute. And you know what? I put the green on the wrong side. So you know what I'm going to do? Rather than tear that off, I'm just going to cut 2 more of these green pieces and I'll put them up here so it will be doubled. So anyway, you get the idea. The carrot is really, really cute. I think this would be cute to put in somebody's lunchbox or in their Easter basket full of goodies. And again, as I said, I put this on the wrong side. I probably could still tear it off because it's probably not adhered well enough to worry, and put it on the proper side. So you can see what it's really supposed to look like. So it's really supposed to look like that. And I think it's super duper adorable. Look back up here one more time at my screen and you'll see, let's go back to cancel. Yes. And it's called the Carrot Candy Box. And again, the way I found it was I came over here to projects and I typed in the word box up here just to see all the boxes that are available already. And all of these ones that have an A like this, you automatically get access to them if you have access for free. I mean, you know, you have to pay your monthly fee for access, but it's minimal, I think, by the time you get all of these really cute things. Like, for example, there was something I was really like, this is cute, this box here. Here's the carrot box. Look at that robot Valentine box. I have no idea. I saw a really cute cupcake box in here somewhere. Let's see. I've made this before and it was really super cute. The snowman up here. Oh, I'm not seeing the cupcake box that I wanted to show you. Hey, that would have been cute to make for St. Patrick's Day. Look at that cute box. If it doesn't have the little A, there'll be a minimal fee. But still, I just like to choose things that have the A for access, means they're free to me to use because I do indeed have access. Look at this. An exploding box, a Merry Christmas exploding box. This one has a name associated with it. Someone named Desi has made this one. But anyway, it looks like it's really cute and it's free, and look at all those instructions that Desi gave. And you can go like this and you can see some other images to see other views. But I thought there was one more I wanted to show you. Well, I'm not seeing the cupcake box. Let's see. Oh, look at that. My twin grandbabies would like that, I bet. Anyway, you get the idea. So what I did again was I came up here to projects, and then in projects I typed in box because I wanted to see what kind of boxes were available. But I just scrolled down here until I got to the carrot, opened it, and then came down here. And you can either customize it if you think you might want to change it up a little bit, or just go to make it. I usually go to customize just in case. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and please join us over there at our Facebook group. Check down below this video. I have a link to the group, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.